Hey everyone, Trina here, back with day 14 of the 100-day project. Today, I want to play with this photo I took and do an image transfer. These are pictures of sidewalk shadows that I took. I thought they were really interesting. This one really particularly I liked. I shot it this way, but I'm going to cut these up and we're going to kind of see how we can play around with these. Okay, let's start off with a little bit of hand sanitizer here. Spread that out lightly. Remember, we're only doing one side now. We changed up our little process a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna put this right here. Hopefully I got the right side. Make sure I got the right side. I got the right side. I might need some more hand sanitizer in there. I've also discovered that if you don't get enough hand sanitizer, you can go back and add more. Get the brayer. That's a good rub. I just thought these shadows were so interesting when I was on my walk today. And something different that we could play around with. I also kind of like the texture of the sidewalk that creeped in a little bit. I'm okay with that not being too perfect. Okay, let's see what we got. It's a pretty good transfer. And now I've got this other piece here. I'm not sure what I want to do with. I don't want it to be, I think I'm just going to kind of plop it on like that. Maybe so it's not so centered, but then I think right there. Okay. Let's do some, going with the Derwent Onyx. I'll do some line work over top. I just want to connect those through there. And maybe bring in other marks of mine. Try to seamlessly connect these together. I think I'm going to go over these with the Gelli print or the Gelli Plate. Try not to cover them all up with paint. Here I'm mixing up some sap green and yellow ochre to kind of make a transparent green color that we're gonna roll out onto the Gelli Plate. So pretty. I love that color. Okay, so I found this stencil in my stash of stencils. I bought these and I thought they were smaller than they were. Turns out they're not small at all. They're giant. So let's get a piece of paper and I'll just, I don't want all of that. So let's take off, you know, my work. Let me get jelly paper works better for this. I really only want that shape there in the middle. It might be kind of hard to get here, but we're going to try. Get close. Okay. Yeah, these stencils are, this stencil was huge. Not quite what I wanted, but I think it's all perfect. Let's see if we can lighten up some of this here on the sides. This feels like a very bold move. I don't know how it's going to come out, but we're going to try it out. Okay, so let's do, I want that to be sort of right there. I just thought that shape was really cool. Well, that's different. Got some green left here on my brayer, so I'm just gonna brayer over a little bit rather than just waste it. Just put it on. If you use the sides of the brayer, you can kind of get some really cool marks. So here I'm going to roll out some more of that yellow ochre. These are the golden open colors. And I have these rubber tipped, I don't know what they're called, I guess shapers. They're like mini shapers. I wanted to see how they would react to the Gelli Plate. Just sort of rubbing back in, seeing what kind of marks we can make. It's kind of hard to see because, but let's just sort of play here a little bit. Ooh, that's fun. It might work better if I had more paint maybe, but we're just gonna make some random marks through here. Kind of feel our way through it. It may not do anything at all, or it may do everything. I don't know. Probably gonna have to let this dry. I could just be making a big mess. I don't know. It feels like it's already drying, so let's put some matte medium over that, and then we'll roll that out a little bit. I've clogged up my lid on my matte medium, if you're wondering why I'm pouring it out like that. I don't need a lot. I just want a little bit so we can spread that out so we can transfer that. We can transfer that onto the paper. I'm going to do a little bit of, take away some of it. I don't want all of it. All right, let's see what we get. I'm going to try right through here a little bit first. Ooh, I can kind of see some pretty cool marks. I don't want all of that on there. I don't know if it did anything. Let's try just through here. I know I said I was going to do watercolor on the Gelli Plate, but I started looking into it and thinking about it, and it didn't make any sense to me why you would want to do that. So we're not going to do it. All right, let's try something bold. This is Kirataki black ink, the Sumi Kirataki ink. I've just put in this little bottle. And normally I would use the color shape. Oh, that's kind of fun. The color shaper here, but I have this brush that I ruined. So I just cut it up and cut the bristles off. So let's see what happens if we use that here. Let's see if it'll make some cool marks or if it's gonna be, oh, it's kind of fun. Oh my God, that's so good. Those lines are great. And I'm using it dry because I didn't want it, I wanted to really see the effect of those bristles. Sort of a scumbling effect. I'm loving the black. Okay, don't put too much black on there. I feel like I want to put more black on there. But I'm definitely going to put more black over here. Over here, and I kind of want to do I might just leave that one. Oh, that's fun. Old brush cut up with notches. Love the Sumi ink because it dries so fast. But now I've got this line here. I'm not really, I like it, but it's kind of distracting me a little bit. It wasn't a good weighted line. Okay. But now I've got this. I've got some Kiritaki orange there that I'm gonna just try to use one of these. It's almost like a little mini paintbrush. Okay, it's looking very Halloween-y. It's like wrong season. And I've covered up pretty much all of the transfer there, which is fine. Okay, we're gonna go in with this sepia ink from De Lironi. Let's give this a little push around. Bring everything to the foreground a little bit here. Now that line makes a little bit more sense, at least to me. Scrape back in. And you can see I've covered up all of the marks that I made with the transfer. But that's okay. I mean, it happens. I sort of just let the thing lead where it needs to go, and I just kind of do my thing. Because if you try to, like, keep preserving marks that you made, you're never going to put more marks down, if that makes any sense. Okay. Let's come in with some Caran d'Ache ochre. Remember yesterday, the other day I was talking about making things more simple. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. This is the, what is this? Salmon. Ooh, that's really fun. That's really fun. I like that. What did that just do? It looks fabulous. Okay, let's go in with a little bit of the Neo color, or Neo Nickel Azo Gold. Can you feel it? I can feel it. We could need some more. Okay, I want to put some up here and bring it down. I need to fix this down here, though. good mark going down here. There we go. That's what I was looking for. How cool is that? Like right through there. I'm gonna go in with some black. I just want some really bold black marks through here. Maybe bring it up a little bit. I don't want too much. Okay. Let's go in with Graphite Tint Midnight Black. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but I really wanted to add. That's almost too light. Yeah, it's not really working, but it's okay. I didn't want it to be too bold. And maybe a little bit of that chestnut color. Add some more pencil marks through here. Okay, I really like, I love this, I love this. These colors here are really nice together. Like I said, I covered up most of the collage, but that's okay, the transfer. It got a little dark on me, but I kind of like it. It feels very grungy and moody. I like the section down here. Overall, I think it works real well. I don't, I got like some sort of mountain thing going on here. I think I need to fix that because I don't really like that. Okay, we need to fix that. Hold on. Okay, I've got this green gold Kiritaki, and I'm gonna fix this because it's really bugging me. I don't like it. I don't need like distinct triangles. I'm not a triangle person. I don't hate that. I like it better than it was. Okay, we're gonna call that done. Might add a little bit more of that color down here just to sort of bring it sort of full circle. Yeah, that's better. That was really bugging me. Okay, now we're done. Let's put a mat on it. Here it is with the mat. Yeah, I like it. It's different. It's not really what I intended to do today. I don't know what I intended to do today. I really wanted to play with the shadows and I covered them all up. But, yeah, it works for me. It works for me. It's good flow. I think the pink is really nice. It kind of reminds me of like Paul Klee a little bit. The triangle or the rectangles and the blocky shapes. I have a Paul Klee in my bedroom, so maybe I was dreaming about Paul Klee last night. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the video to the left if you want to see more work. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 15. Thanks so much. Bye.